Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, ich heiße Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls. Da, 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 da. Yes. Ooh, ooh. The energy in me, it's something else. Cause man, what we are about to do is amazing. We're going to be styling a simple bandana around your neck like John B. Oh, that guy is hot. Anyways, the style is hot. We're going to be styling a bandana like John B around your neck, and I'm going to be showing you dry 3 ways in which you can do that. So it is upon you to choose the one that works best for you. All of these styles, I feel like they are super simple, but they bring a different outcome. Like, actually, I've already thought of another way we can do it, so it's like 4 ways. But all in all, watch the video to the very end so that you choose the best style for yourself. You're gonna love this. You are going to enjoy this. Yeah. So in the meantime, just like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section. You can talk to me via my socials, which are in the description. You can also share out there. Just go tell someone, tell your friend, tell your neighbor, tell your neighbor's dog, just tell someone or something about this particular channel, okay? And make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any amazing tutorial. Also turn on the notification bell. Yeah, so yeah, we have done so many tutorials, and I'm going to be placing a link in the description so that after this video you can watch those videos and see if you can see something else that you love or enjoy. Super, right? So what you need is a bandana. You need a bandana, a mirror. Maybe will we use this neck, whatever. We might use it for one of the styles, but I'm telling you it's not a must, because I'm telling you, yeah, because I'm going to be showing you different ways in which you're going to do it. So there's one style, I think we can use it or not even. It's not even a must. But basically you need a bandana with you. So pick a bandana like this. It doesn't matter if it is a patterned bandana, but for John B, most of the times in all his acting scenes, in his pictures, we see him with a patterned bandana like this. This is what you call a patterned bandana. This, and then make a fold. In the other steps you'll not need like to make folds and all. They're just super easy, but I want us to start off with this one that has more mechanisms. The others can even take a second or so fold it. Make sure that this tip meets with the lower tip, the top tip meets with the lower tip, and it's not like this. Yeah, seen you guys saying, hey, why is it not coming there? No, it's not like this. It is this tip and the lower one. Once you make a shape like that of a star, that's when you do your first fold like that. Like that, and then you're going to form something like a triangle, something like what we call here a samosa. Samosa is biting. Just Google the word SAMOSE. Yeah. Anyways, let's now do the folding. Now make a small fold. This one will be so perfect, and for John B.
That's perfect, but I always have to do the perfect one. So make another fold, and make just more fold until we get to the end. So shine bright,
So we're making folds. And then the next thing is placing it on your neck. And then making a knot at the back. So that is manner number 1 in which you can just do that style, but this is perfecto, not exactly like John B's. This is perfection, more than perfection. So for that, give us the like. That is manner number 1. Give us that thumbs up for that. I want to show you the other way. I hope you like it, because I do. The other way, the other way is also super easy and super fast. Undo your bandana, and then I think the constant thing is making the first fold. Make the first fold like this. Okay, remember we are placing a bandana like this, rotating it to form something like a star, and then you're making this tip to make the lower tip. And then with it like this, let it hang just like that. Just hold one tip like a flag, like that, and then just do like this. Just do like this. Okay? And then once you do like this, you just place it onto your neck like that. You see? You see what I've done? Just done like that. Easy. And then make a fold here. A knot. Make a knot. But now in this knot, we want one side to be longer than the other one because there's something we need to do with it. Like that. So this one is small. I'm making my knot right there. So you see one knot has disappeared. And then the other way is you just make sure. Now this extra long tip, now you just rotate it around your bandana like that. We want it to stick here. And where is it not behaving? Tuck it in. Super, right? Genau. Okay, so we did like this. This other step is super easy. Remember that we are making sure that the inner side is the one that is facing towards the front. All the inner side is the one that is facing towards the top. So from the top, you make sure that these tips meet to form something like that. Well, and then the next thing is just to place it onto your neck. Place it onto your neck like this. Just place it right there, and then make a knot at the back. Make that knot. Once you make the knot, make sure that it's not too big because we do not want it to be seen from the front. So after having it like this, you can choose to like just stay that way, like that. Is it like that really? Yeah, to have something like that, something of the sort. But anyway, let's just focus on our style. So we did like this. Remember we have something like this. What we need to do now is like fold, roll, tuck in the bandana to have exactly like John B's. So let's do that. You start rolling your bandana from inside out, inside out, inside out. Take your time for perfectioning. When it's something amazing. Continue doing the rolling like that. Until you get yourself to the very end. And now you can see that. Is it? And remember mine looks a little bit longer than my neck. I should have tied it somewhere there. But anyways, this is the point. You have something like that. Remember for John B, you normally have something like that at the very end. So you see mine is long. If I want to adjust the size, I can always like make a smaller, increase the size of my knot. To have something like that. So if you watched this far, just give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Okay, actually it looks, oh my goodness, it looks like exactly like, you know, that of John B. I love the outcome. Wow. Oh my goodness. See? I don't know where it's coming up, but if you make it tight, very tight, it will not be coming off like that. but that is how you actually do it. Remember, we have done so many tutorials when it comes to neck, bandana, hair, name them all, reviews. So I'll be placing a link in the description. Once you click on that link, it will direct you to a playlist full of different tutorials, so you can choose or have a better choice from right there. Okay, so you can just click right there, and then yeah, you will have a variety of choices. And also remember that I'm going to be doing more tutorials, listening into your requests and all. Yeah, so subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on the new updates, the latest trends and all. Also make sure that you do okay, I've just said subscribe. You do like the video, you can talk to me in the comment section or via my socials. If you do not want to click on the playlist, just click right here and let's meet there. Oh my goodness, can all agree? John B and me. Ooh. Wow. Just click right here and we'll meet right there. Okay.